Maliwanag na buwan sa inyong lahat. Ibig sabihin ng affect, to influence or have an impact on something or someone. The new policy will affect many employees. Now let's move to the word effect. It also often used to describe a change, pagbabago, or an outcome. Ano yung outcome? Yun yung mangyayari o nangyari. The new policy has a positive effect on all employees. So, dito muna tayo sa between. Use between if you wanna imply a clear distinction or separation between the two things. I'm stuck between choosing chocolate or vanilla ice cream. Kanina yung between, dalawa lang. Ang among tatlo o mas marami pa. The new policy.
5. Angelique Kong is my favorite blank Viva Max actresses.